So, yung total is 1,454,000 pesos. Pack lang po namin.
Oh, no. I just wanted to see here and confirm ko, okay. My dad was just asking me if I can choose, but
New day, new bag. So, we have another client for today.
Jewel,
You look young. How young are you?
I'm 24.
Wow. These 2 bags is for you?
Oh, no, it's actually for my mom.
Wow.
Yeah, my dad was just asking me if I can choose for her.
Anong sineselebrate natin kay mom? Bakit niyo siya?
it's-
Surprise gift?
It's her 50th birthday.
Wow.
This August.
Ang sweet naman ni Dad. Wala pa si Dad niya.
Oh no, he's busy, so I'm gonna do all the transactions now. Is it okay if I can plug the business of my parents?
Sure.
It's called Bert's Jewelry. It's located in Mandaluyong, in Marketplace Mall, stall 90.
Jewelry, no?
Jewelry, gold jewelry.
Gold
yes.
siya and diamonds.
Not much. We're more focused on the gold. But mayroon din parang naka-embed na mga jewelry sa mga designs.
18 karat.
Yes. We have actually Saudi and Japan gold.
Ang generous naman. 2 bags talaga.
Uh-huh.
Ang sweet. Si Mother, mahilig siya mag-collect ng luxury bags.
Actually, parang few pa lang yung ano niya. So, more on nag-explore pa lang din siya ng mga bags. She searched up sa websites and then she found your videos and then ito yung mga nagustuhan niya. I mean, kasi may mga ano siya, may idea na, kumbaga. And then I just wanted to see here and confirm ko okay ba yung
So, in short, namimili na si Mother. Nasa cart na niya
Yes.
yung mga choices niya.
Yeah.
Tapos, kayo isusurprise nyo na lang na binili nyo na yung bag na gusto ni Mother.
Exactly.
Wow. Masusurprise talaga si Mom nito. Nasa cart niya lang, tapos pag-deliver, andyan na yung actual. Ang sweet. So, discuss natin. So, this is the Chanel Classic Double Flop. Size medium. Series 29. Complete inclusion siya except paper bag. Meron siyang box, paper bag, story receipt, authenticity card, and entropy certificate of authenticity. Bagay nga nito sa'yo eh. Okay lang, itry mo.
Okay.
Pwede mo iramit kay Mother.
Yeah.
Bagay, oo. Feeling ko para sa'yo yan. Ang ganda, bagay. And then this one, this is Birkin 25. This is Stamp T 2015. Pero yung condition niya is very pristine condition. Meron lang siyang maliit dito na rubs.
We're gonna rank the
The condition.
Yeah.
It's mint condition. When we say mint condition, 93% new.
Okay.
Kasi ito lang naman yung flow niya. Super small lang na scratch or
Yeah.
rub marks. Pero yung hardware, meron lang hairline scratches dito. Ayan, yung structure niya, very structured pa siya. Hindi pa siya nag-slouch. And this is the sought-after size. Usong-uso ngayon yung Birkin 25. Pag napapanood ni Mother, laging Birkin 25 yung na-feature namin sa mga video. Kasi maraming may gusto ng size na to. Tsaka yung size 30 pala. And then this color is taupe. Very neutral
Taupe.
siya. Yeah, taupe.
Yeah, actually, she likes kasi neutral colors. So, okay na.
Tapos gold hardware pa. Match sa business niya.
Yeah.
This is Chanel Classic Double Flap, medium size, series 29, for 405,000 pesos. And this is Birkin 25, Stamp T, taupe color, gold hardware, for 1,049,000 pesos. So this one is complete also. It has box, dust bag, care booklet. Wala lang po siyang receipt and paper bag, but it has legit real certificate of authenticity.
Okay.
So lahat ito 100% authenticated na. In-house and third-party authenticated.
Okay.
So total of 1,454,000 pesos. Bagay sa outfit mo, taupe din yung top mo. No? Ayan. Ganda. Pack lang po namin. Thank you.
Thank you.
And advance happy birthday to your mom.
Thank you.
rin. Pasabi sa dad niya, thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Nice to meet you.
Nice